Hi, Sana here again. So for a second tag, what I did is I first applied the spiced marmalade and then the ripe persimmon distress ink tones onto this die cut tag, and I did die cut it with this Templarations die, and I applied 2 tones of orange distress ink onto the background, and then I'm going to adhere the striped paper on top and then add some stamping in here to create a fun and simple, easy to do tag. And I'm going to use the Fall Play birdies for stamping on for this card, and I'm using black ink. And let's just position the paper there, and then I want this little birdie to be here, and then add a second image on top like here, and then do the third one into the other direction, just for fun, detail and interest. So they are looking into different directions. That's it. So I've got my 3 birdies in there, and then I'm going to add, I think, a fun sentiment. Let's pick one from here maybe. Nope, let's use this one. Remember the good times, these are the moments. Let's see which one fits here. Embrace life. Good times. I think I'm going to add this sentiment into a separate piece of paper and then cut that into a right size, because I want this sentiment to stand out a little bit. So let's put this aside. Then, using the same colors, do a little tag or banner or something like that. So that's it, and then add the sentiment on top. So trying to get both tones in here, and that's it. That's going to go with onto the tag, and let's just fussy cut this piece out of this paper. Good times. Okay, like this. And then maybe put it here, let it stand out a little bit, and that's it. That's a second tag, really easy to do, and everything is in orange, so it's fun, happy colors for this one. And I think I'm going to ink the sides of this banner here, or flag, just to add a little bit contrast and to make it stand out more from the background. That's it. And then I'm just going to add a little ribbon on top, and then my tag is done. Really like these little birds, they are so cute. And then just adhering this, and this paper is by digital paper. It's from a digital kit for digital scrapbooking. I used to be on the design team for M from Australia, and these papers are still some of those papers that I had from that time. Really like her designs a lot, and very, very versatile papers. Work with different themes really well. And then let's add this here. And I want it to stand out a little bit to the side. Okay. So maybe add a few sequins for fun detail, or just leave it like this. We'll see. So I added a few confetti pieces. These are Sunset Stars by Nuvo, by Tonic Studios, and I added them onto the tag just for a fun detail with using these tweezers by Elizabeth Craft Designs. These are really great tweezers for fine little detailed pieces. Really good quality tweezers. And then I'm just going to add a ribbon for decoration or for finishing touches, and that's it. That is the tag. And I think I might use grey for a change. So taking this piece here, I think this might work really nicely with this tag here. So I'm always saving little pieces of ribbon for purposes like these. Never let these pieces go to waste. So that's the birdie tag, that tag done in no time. Really easy to do. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.